Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax. Now it's 7:24 p.m. of Monday 15 April 2019 and we received a parcel. Let's cut this box open and find out what is in the parcel. What do we have here is the Xiaomi Mi 9 that we ordered on 6 April 2019 and is finally here. In the box, you will find Mi 9, soft rubber case, literature that you will not read, USB-A to USB-C cable, quick charge charger, and USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter that I forgot in the box. The included quick charge charger is a 18W charger even though Mi 9 supports quick charge 4.0 27W fast charge. This is the exciting part. Quiet please. At the front, you will find the 6.39-inch 19.5 by 9 1080p Samsung AMOLED display with the support of HDR. Mi 9 is using Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and you will find the fingerprint sensor under the display. At the top of the display, you will find the f2.0 20MP front-facing camera, earpiece, and notification light at the right of the earpiece. At the back, you will find the stunning glass back, triple camera, and dual flash. At the bottom, you will find USB-C port and single speaker. At the right, you will find the power button and the volume button. At the left, you will find the dual nano SIM card slot and the Google Assistant button. At the top, you will find the IR blaster. By the time this video is up, I retested Mi 9 for almost 1 week. So, remember to stay tuned for the review on this Wednesday, 24th April 2019. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch it when it is available. That is all for this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.